Greg again. Heck yeah, you can cook. Today, we are going to make baked chicken plum sauce. Delicious, doesn't it? Yeah. My plum tree this year produced a bunch of plums, so I've been giving them away to neighbors, giving them away to friends, and making plum sauce. This is a video you can see on one of my shorts, so watch it, less than a minute. Very simple to make, delicious to use on items such as baked chicken. The ingredients that you'll need today, you will need chicken breast. I like to use my French herb salt. You can use any type of seasoning sauce you'd like to give the chicken a little bit of seasoning before you add the plum sauce. I've got a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and of course, as always, I've got some in reserve. And if you need it, we're going to use that, and we'll show you that method. A couple tongs, spoon, knife to use. And yeah, let's get at it. Now I've split the chicken breast in half, and then simply we're just going to take this right here and cut some small slits in the top. This will let the plum sauce work all the way through while you're cooking. We're going to season both sides. Grease this point while you're prepping. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. At this point, we're going to simply just lightly put that olive oil in there, a spoon or anything you got. Kind of work it around. Set the chicken right on there, and then pour the olive oil over the top. Now we're going to bake this for 10 minutes. Pull it back out, and then add the plum sauce. Heck yeah. Okay. About 10 minutes have gone by. Now we just take it. See, this glaze is so pretty. Slather it on, for lack of a better term. Now that we've got it all covered with that beautiful sauce, insert your probe, and we're going to cook until 165. We'll show the finished product. Look at there what we got now. We have got this all done out of the oven. What I like to do now is I like to plate it. Here, if we pull it out, it smells fantastic. There you go. Roasted chicken, plum sauce. Heck yeah. Everyone have a wonderful day.